Hi, my name is Joel Matthew, UR15CS177 from Carney University, and today I'm going to be explaining one of my programs from Java Programming Lab. Uh, for By using this program is using the concept of exception handling, and the question given to me is to create a program which allows operations on a integer stack, and by making use of the concept of interfaces, so I have to deal with custom exceptions for non-integer values which are entered into the stack, for push operation when the stack is full, and for pop operation when the stack is empty. So first I have created an interface for stack, and which I have created two abstract methods, push and pop, and then I have uh, created a class called integer stack which implements stack interface, and then it has attributes top, which is initialized to -1, and an array a for storing the acting as a stack. So this is the get function for top, and I have overridden the function push and pop, and I have also created a new function called display. So what push will do is enter the data entered by the user into the stack, and what pop will do is pop out one of the the topmost data from the stack, and display is used to display the values from top to bottom of the stack. And then I have created a custom exception called stack exception, which extends array index out of bound exception. So here we have the constructor which calls the which takes the message, and then sends the message to the superclass. So this is the main function I have created. So in this I have created an object for integer stack, and then I ask the user for choice of operation, either push, pop, or display the stack. And once the user enters the operation, then inside we are, when for first operation is push. So in this, when the user enters the enters the number, it will check if the number is actually integer. So I put it in try catch, and if the number is not in an integer value, this catch method will take the exception as input mismatch exception, and then it will display non-integer input, and it will display this value, and the program will continue. Then after this, there's another condition that if I push the stack when the stack is full, so here is where it will be checked. So if it will get the value of top, and if it is greater than or equal to 4, then the stack is full, and it is caught here, and the stack exception message is displayed. And if not, then the value is pushed into the stack. Now for pop operation, when the stack is empty, the top value will be less than 0. So um, we can check this condition here, and if that comes true, then the stack empty condition is thrown, and here it is displayed in the catch block. And if not, then the number which is popped out of stack is displayed here. And for display, it's normal, it will just call the display function, and then the user is asked whether or not they want to continue. So let's just run this program once. So this is the output. So let's enter a few values. So let's try to pop while it's empty, and as you can see, stack empty condition is message is shown, and we can still continue. So let's try now for push, and let's just enter some decimal value and see if it takes the value. As you can see, it does not take, and it shows non-integer input. And let's just now try for just keep pushing values into the stack. Oh, I'm sorry. So as you can see, after this it shows that stack is full. So let's just see if let's just display the stack once again, and as you can see, it shows the values in the correct order. So this is the program which I made, and just stop the execution. And I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for listening to me.